Welcome to TechBrothersIT. In this video, we're going to take a look into the T-SQL capabilities in Microsoft Fabric data warehouse. So we will be talking what is supported and what is not supported. So here is a list of the supported T-SQL features in warehouse. So you can use create, alter, drop, tables, views, functions, and store procedures. You can insert, update, delete, truncate. So that's all table functions you can use. SP underscore rename full column renaming is used, so that's supported. Common table expression CTs including nested CTs are supported as well. So here temp tables are supported and the scope is a session scoped. Now you can add or drop columns and nullable only, and then you have add drop constraints only with the not enforcer. So these are the features which are supported with the T-SQL in warehouse. So now let's take a look what is not supported as a T-SQL features in the warehouse. Merge statement is not supported, predict is not supported, and then triggers are not supported as well. Now set row count is not supported, set transaction isolation level is not supported as well. Identity columns are also not supported. For JSON and for XML in subqueries is also not supported. Alter table except nullable columns and not enforced constraints are not supported. Now SP underscore show space use is not supported. Create user is also not supported. Recursive queries are not supported. Materialized views are not supported. Manual statistics are not supported. So these are different things which are not supported in the warehouse. Now let's take a note on the SQL Analytics endpoint. So read only access to the delta table. That's what the SQL Analytics endpoint has. So you can read those tables with the select queries. That's all you can do. You cannot do insert, update, and delete or any DML operations. Now supports views and functions referencing a delta lake. So you can create the views and functions and those can be referencing to the delta lake tables. No support for insert, update, delete on or table creation in the SQL Analytics endpoint. Meant for analytical queries, not write operations. So that's the few things that we need to remember about SQL Analytics endpoint. Now use Fabric Warehouse for full DML plus DDL support. Use SQL Analytics endpoints for query lakehouse delta tables. So that's one to remember. If you remember this, this will solve the whole equation. So whenever you need to read the data, and you will be using SQL Analytics endpoint for the lakehouse delta tables. And when you need to read, write, and all those different operations you need to perform, then you will be using a warehouse in the Fabric. So I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and I will see you guys in next video.